In this lesson, we shall solve this question in front of us. Right, so if the 8th root of 2 equals 3, the bth root of 3 equals 5, and the cth root of 5 equals 8, determine the value of A times B times C. We solve this question in a step-by-step fashion, beginning as follows. Right, we still have the given information up there. And so we note that in this case, what we have is actually the 8th root of 2, which equals 3. And this actually implies that 2 to the power 1 out of A equals 3. We can write things this way. Moreover, we have if the bth root of 3, which equals 5, and so this implies that 3 to the power 1 out of B is equal to 5. Next, we also have the cth root. Right, we also have the cth root of 5, which equals 8. And this implies that 5 to the power 1 out of C is equal to 8. And so, with this, we continue as follows. Right, we can divide the board exactly this way. Immediately, we are able to observe that now would have exactly the following. Right, so if it is true that 2 to the power 1 out of A equals 3, we can raise these to the power, can raise it to the power 1 out of B. So we raise these to 1 out of B, both left and right. And this gives us 2 to the power 1 divided by AB, and this equals 3 to the power 1 out of B, which equals 5. So we raise this as well, 1 out of AB, we raise it to 1 out of C, and therefore this is 5 to the power 1 out of C, giving us 2 to the power 1 out of A, B, C, and this is 5 to the power that equals exactly 8. So we have 2 to the power 1 out of 1 out of A, B, C, which equals 8. And so what is the meaning of all this? So we have 2 to the power 1 out of A, B, C, which equals 8, which is 2 to the power 1 out of A, B, C, and this is 2/3. Right, 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3, that's what it is. When the bases are the same, we equate the exponents, getting 1 divided by that equals 3. And so now, if this is the case, it means clearly that A, B, C, we take the reciprocals, both sides, is exactly 1/3. It means that ABC is exactly 1/3. And so now this is basically the end of this particular solution. And so we found the numerical value of ABC. In other words, A times B times C is actually exactly equal to 1/3. And this actually marks the end of this particular solution. We have solved this particular problem step by step. Until next time, take care and goodbye to you.